Lastly, EdTech 505, which was Evaluation Educational Technologist, was probably my most challenging course throughout my time at Boise State. In this course, our goal was to learn important concepts and practices in the field of evaluation, including management, models, data sources, analysis, and reporting results. Throughout this course, I struggled on the whole evaluation process. I could not wrap my mind around being the evaluator. I always pictured evaluation as formative and summative assessments done in class. The class opened my eyes to a whole new picture of evaluation. My evaluation was on having each student have their own iPad in the middle school. The process you have to go through to get this approved and the money that goes into the process is overwhelming. I am so glad my instructor guided me through this process, or else this class would not have been so rewarding. I actually thought to myself that I could one day want to be just an evaluator of a program like this. I think that this job would be extremely rewarding and would be right up my alley. As I look at how much I've grown with technology in the past 2 years, I am astonished by all I created and accomplished. It has been a journey I will never forget and will always use in my teaching. I cannot wait to see what my future holds in the technology world. Thank you for viewing this video. Goodbye for now.